Good morning, my YouTubers. It's your cameraman, Daniel Drepsky, for today's update with the of that garage over on Laurel Boulevard, Pottsville, Pennsylvania. And today's date is February 22nd, 2023, and it's about like 9:40 in the morning. Right now, we got like a couple of the plumbers here. I don't expect them to be there. Yeah. Around 9:40 in the morning. They're just thinking about putting some plumbing in there. I don't know. Haven't done this video. I haven't done like this series like in a little while, since Saturday, when the guy with the red van was here. Yep, I think it's a red pickup truck. Right now, they're only just measuring the what's going to happen or something like that. Well, I don't think they're actually here for like the garage. Maybe they're here for the plumbing. I don't know. Maybe they're going to do like a road construction, which is normally I don't do videotaping on the regular construction. The only construction I know was this one, and the house on 710 or 12 or 719 next door. I don't think they're here for like the house. I think they're here for like the doing the plumbing or something. They did put the pipes there already about like a week ago. And today's high might be 40. Tomorrow might be warming up into the 60s, and then it goes back to in the 40s and 30s Friday night. Oh my God. Winter never ends. Well, that's the update about this, and I'll see you next time when I give you updates around all over Pennsylvania. And in the meantime, enjoy these other previous videos of that garage over there. Please comment, subscribe, to ring the bell if you like other videos that I made. Until then, your cameraman, Daniel Drepsky. See you next time for more of the updates around the garage area or around all over Pennsylvania. Later, folks.